Good day everyone, I'm Sigrid Miranda, Group Leader of Group 1, and today we will be discussing measuring tools and implements. But before we start, I would like to introduce some of my group mates. Now that we have introduced everybody, let's start with our lesson. When we say measuring tools, what comes in your mind? Some might say measuring tools are used to measure objects, and that's true. Fun fact is that measuring tools were actually based around the human body, from which some of today's measurement standards got their names. For example, is an inch that was considered the width of a thumb, a foot was just the length of a foot, and a yard was the length of a man's mouth. Now let's discuss the measuring tools and implements. The following are used to measure currents, voltages, resistance, voltages.
A packet size tools used to test the line wire circuit if there is current in it. The picture given is an image of a test light. It is used to determine the presence of electricity in a piece of equipment under test. It is primarily used to determine when voltage is present in a circuit. The circuit is energized, such as when testing receptacles. It is an electric lamp connected with one or two insulated wire leads.
What is the micrometer? The micrometer is used to measure the diameter of wire, conductor, and circular miles. It can measure small and big size of wire and cables. Ang micrometer ay ginagamit upang masukat ang diameter ng wire, conductor, sa circular miles.
Number 3 will be wire gauge. It is used in determining the size of wires or conductors. In this picture, we can see different sizes of gauge. It is because the gauge of a wire refers to its thickness. Each gauge is represented by a number, with smaller numbers representing thicker wire gauges and higher numbers signifying thinner wires.
Ruler or foot rule is a measuring tool used to measure length, width, and thickness of short flat object and in sketching straight lines. This tool is used in geometry, technical drawing, engineering, and carpentry. Strictly speaking, this tool or instrument is used for straight lines and is used for determining length. A ruler foot is 30.48 centimeters long. I'm guessing na madami na sa inyo ang nakakahawak, nakakita, or nakagamit na nito since ang ruler ay isa sa mga gamit na kinakailangan sa school, especially when it comes to drawing. Ginagamit ang ruler para mapantay ang pag-drawing ng mga linya or pag-measure ng mga length or width. Ang isang ruler o foot rule ay 30.48 cm o 12 inches ang haba.
Pull-push rule is a measuring tool used to measure the length of an object in centimeters and inches. A measuring tape that falls into compact case in use for measuring long, short, straight length.
Ammeter is an instrument used to measure the amount of electrical current intensity in a circuit. The unit of its measure is ampere. It is connected along or series to the circuit. An ammeter can measure a wide range of current values because at high values only a small portion of the current is directed through the meter mechanism. A shunt in parallel with the meter carries the major portion. Upang mas maliwanagan, ang ammeter o amperemetro ay isang bagay na ginagamit sa elektronika upang masukat ang kasalukuyang daloy ng kuryente sa isang circuit.
An instrument used to measure electrical pressure or voltage of a circuit. The unit of measure is volt. This is connected across or parallel to the circuit. Instrument used for measuring electric potential difference between 2 points in an electric circuit. It is connected in parallel. It usually has a high resistance so that it takes negligible current from the circuit.
Clamp ammeter is also called tongue tester. It is used to measure current flowing in a conductor. It is clamped or hung in a conductor. A portable test instrument that measures current in a circuit by measuring the magnetic fields strand around a single conductor.
Voltammeter, otherwise called as multitester, is used to measure the voltage, resistance, and current of a circuit. It is connected in parallel or series with the circuit depending on what to measure. A measuring instrument that can measure multiple electrical properties.
Negometer or insulation resistance tester is a special type of ammeter used to measure the electrical resistance of insulator. Device that measure the insulation resistance of electrical components, including wires, cable, motors, and transformers. It works by applying a high DC voltage to the component and measuring the resulting I'm Stephanie Loren Plata, and we're here to discuss quantities and terms used in electrical.
Wow, this is the pressure between 2 points in an electrical circuit. It could be measured across the voltage source or another component connected in the circuit.
Amps. This is a measure of the current flowing between 2 points in an electrical circuit. It is the amount of electricity or energy an appliance need to operate. An amps is 1 unit of constant electrical current. Ohms. A measure of the resistance to flow in a circuit. Ohms is a measurement of resistance between 2 points of a conductor. When a constant potential difference of 1 volt is applied to those points and a current of 1 ampere is produced.
Load, a device or component which draws power from a voltage source. This could be an electronic resistor, bulb, electrical heater, motor, or any electrical appliances. Electrical loads are characterized by their voltage, current, power, and frequency.
Ground. This is usually the point in a circuit to which the negative terminal of a battery or power supply connected. Ito ay karaniwang ang punto sa isang circuit kung saan konektado ang negatibong terminal ng baterya o power supply. DC, direct current. Current flows only one way from a DC source is an example of which is a battery.
AC, or alternating current. Current flows only one way from a source, reverse, and then flows the other way. This happens many times a second at a rate determined by the frequency, which is typically 50 or 60 Hz. Alternating current is a type of electrical current in which the direction of the flow of electrons switches back and forth at regular intervals or cycles. Current flows in power lines in normal household electricity that comes from wall outlet is alternating current. Alternating current is commonly used every day in homes and business throughout the world to power various electrical appliances. Ang alternating current ay karaniwang ginagamit araw-araw sa mga tahanan at negosyo sa buong salita para mapagana ang iba't ibang electrical appliances. Ito ay ginagamit sa mga sistema ng pamamahagi dahil sa mga pakinabang nito sa malayong paghahatid. Ito ay patuloy na dumadaloy sa isang direksyon at bumabalik sa mga regular na cycle. Ang alternating current ay ang anyo ng kuryente na umaabot sa tahanan na nagpapagana sa pagpapatakbo ng mga appliances ng dekuryenteng aparato.
A term used to describe the direction of flow of current in a circuit or which point are positive and which are negative, which a reference point. Ang isang polarity daw ay terminong ginagamit upang ilarawan ang direksyon ng daloy ng kasalukuyan ng sa isang circuit o kung aling mga punto ang positibo at alin ang negatibo na isang reference point.
I'm Rihano Ariana Luis A. and together with Pampilo Acasilis and Pesota, we will discuss the important parts of a multitester. We have pointer, range selector knob, adjustment screw, scale, test probe, and funnel indicator. Number 1. Pointer. The needle-shaped rod that moves over the scale of a meter. It is mechanically connected to the moving coil. It indicates the measured values on the multimeter. Ito daw po ay ang baras na hugis karayom na gumagalaw sa sukat ng 1 metro. Ito ay mechanically konektado Sa gumagalaw na likaw, ito ay nagpapahiwatig ng mga sinusukat na halaga sa multimeter.
Range selector knob. Selector switch makes it possible to select different functions and range of the meter. Ang range selector knob daw po ay kilala rin bilang selector switch. Ang isang range selector knob ay nagbibigay daan sa iyo na ayusin ang setting ng multitester. Range selector knob are also present on the best insulation resistant testers.
Number 3, adjustment screw. Make it possible to adjust the pointer to the zero position of the scale. Kailangan daw po kapag gumagamit po tayo nito, ay kailangan daw po yung point ay laging nasa zero para malaman po natin at makuha natin ang tamang metro.
A scale is a set of labels or numbers which are used in a particular system of measuring things or are used when comparing things. A test probe is a physical device used to connect electronic test equipment to a device under test.
Pano indicator. Pano indicator shows each function and setting range to turn dial to. A digital panel indicator digitally processes measurement data such as analog signal from a linear sensor, including a voltage and current or a pulse signal. It then converts it and displays the data. Ipinapakita daw nito ang bawat function at hanay ng setting kung saan ang turn dial. Ang panel indicator daw po ay nagpoproseso ng data ng pagsukat tulad ng analog signal mula sa isang linear sensor.